Hey, what's up you guys, it's Sammy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, I will be showing you guys what's in my bag. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. All my social media links or my usernames are on your screen, so go give me a follow if you want to. Now let's get on to the video. Okay, so I have 3 different bags that I use. I try to interchange them as much as possible, but I am going to start with the bag that I use every single time I do errands. So this is my bag. It is from Dear Army PH on Instagram. They were kind enough to gift this to me. 2 of the bags that I do use are from their shop, so please do go check them out. Their social media links will be down below in the description box or they are on your screen. So this is actually, it can be a shoulder bag or a body bag. You can actually adjust the strap to your liking, but usually I use it more as a shoulder bag, and I like it long. I don't really like it short, so I use it like that. And then this scarf that you actually see is from a different shop, which is, I'm not sure how to pronounce it properly. I don't know if it's Terril or Terril Studios. Their username is also on your screen and in the description box below if you want to check them out. It is actually a BTS scarf. I actually have 2 scarves from them, but this is the one that I decided to put on my bag. So I'm just gonna put that back right here, but there it is. And then here I just have this is from the The Icon magazine. It came as an inclusion. It is just a keychain of Jungkook. Super cute. I super love using this. It's probably one of my favorite bags to use ever. So I don't really have much in my bag. I don't really bring a lot of stuff. I just interchange whatever is inside to whichever bag I feel like using for the day. So I'm gonna start with my wallet. So this is my wallet. It does have a lot of keychains on them. I took it out because the bag that I used 2 days ago, it actually didn't fit. So I had to remove the strap and the keychains, but I just have like a bunch of keychains on here and they're all BTS related. And then here's my wallet, not much. So I just have all my cards and my IDs in here. No money because I don't really like holding cash. But I do have a few photos. So we have Vernon and one, and then Jungkook is over there. And a bunch of receipts. Oh, I do have money in here. I have 500 pesos from New Year, which I keep in there because good luck, as they say. And yeah, that's it. That's my wallet. And then I have my AirPods. So these are the AirPods Pro, as I said. I got this case off of Amazon. I do plan to change it to the BT21 casing. I'm still debating if I want Cookie or Koyo for it, or even Mang. So there is that. And I can't travel without my AirPods, so I always have to have my AirPods wherever I go. We have alcohol, of course. So this was given to me by my mom. It is personalized with my name and everything. I got it for Christmas, and of course we do need alcohol because of the ongoing pandemic. So it's very important that I always have this in my bag, and I have to make sure it's always filled with alcohol. So please do get an alcohol bottle if you don't have one. I can link down one below in the description for you from SHOPEE. That's probably where my mom got it. And then yeah, it's very important to sanitize, so always sanitize your hands and keep a bottle of alcohol with you at all times. And I super duper love this because it does have a chain, so if I don't feel like bringing a bag, I can just like have it in my hand, or if I'm wearing jeans that day, I can hook it on my belt buckles, and yes, or belt loops, whatever they're called. So yeah, of course I'm a girl, so I need that just in case you're never too sure. So I do have napkin like a napkin pad in my bag at all times. And then this is highly important for me because I cannot not put Vaseline or chapstick on my lips. I super duper need this. This is the one that I use. It's the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I know they have them in the small tub, but I like the stick better because, you know, it's easier to apply and doesn't get your hands dirty. And I super duper love this because my lips are always moisturized whenever I use this. And I kind of have chappy lips depending on like the day. So I always need this in my bag. And then last thing in this bag is obviously I have to have perfume because my biggest fear or like one of my biggest pet peeves is smelling bad, and I super duper am smell conscious, so I always have to have a bottle of perfume inside my bag. I super duper love this. It's the Bulgari Paraiba, I don't know how to say it, and it's in the scent Omnia, which I super duper love. Kind of pricey, but any cologne will do if you like, you know, putting cologne a lot. But I really need cologne in my bag. It's like an everyday essential. I have like 2 more of these because it is my favorite scent. So there is that. So that's what's in this bag. And then I do have another bag which is also the same. So this is from Vanilla Molala on Instagram. So the design is kind of the same. And then I also have another scarf from Terriel Studios. This one though is an Enhypen scarf, which I super duper love, and it looks super classy. That's why I love it. I really like the color scheme of this. Oh, it's upside down. But here it is. On this bag, I do have a keychain as well, but it's the Taeyong one. It is also from the Icon magazine, so I have that over there. And this, I usually use this when I go biking with my family. Like, I don't wear it while biking, but like my family and I like to go to the trails in New Valley Camp. So this is the backpack that I use. I usually have a shirt in here, but obviously I haven't biked this week, so this has just been on my shelf. But here are just the essentials inside this bag. I usually, everything that I put in my daily bag, I usually put it here because it's, you know, same thing. So I have my biking glasses inside this bag, which is super duper needed because the dirt from the ground gets into my eyes. This is very essential. And then of course I have to have my mask with me. So I usually use this mask for biking because it's more of a sports kind of mask, but I also like to use it every day. Oops. So this is just the Tiny Tan X Breathe mask, which I super duper love. My face is small, so I got the size small, and this was a PR gift to me from Globe, so thank you so much, Globe, for this. And yeah, I super duper love this as well because it comes with a neck holder, whatever you call it, so that like if you're in the car alone or if you really can't breathe and you need a breather, at least you can put it there, and then you just need to wear it. I super duper love this. It is easy to breathe in. It does look thick, but I promise, like especially when I'm biking, it's super duper easy to breathe in. I find it easier to breathe in than the normal surgical masks, because before I had this, I used the surgical masks for biking, and it was so hard to breathe. But yeah, I super duper love this. I said that so many times already, I'm so sorry, but I really do love it because it's really lightweight and it's not a hassle to carry around or not a hassle to use. So this is probably one of my go-to masks right now, aside from the Air Queen masks. I also have this. It's an air purifier. I use this on a lot of my TikToks before, and a lot of people asked me what it was. So it is an air purifier. It's dead, so I need to charge it. And you just hang it around your neck, and I like to adjust it because it is adjustable, and I like it at least over here so that, you know, all the bad air can be like purified. Duh, it's an air purifier. So that's that. That's really an essential for me and my family. We can't like go out not wearing this. And then lastly in this bag, I also do have a perfume. So it is the Gucci Bloom perfume, which I super duper love. I said that so many times in this video, I am sure. But it reminds me of my grandma that's in the States. Because this is her perfume as well. So she uses it, and I just carry it around because I like having different kinds of perfumes throughout the day. Like, I mean, if I use this, then I'm gonna use it the entire day. But if I use this perfume, then obviously I'm gonna use it the entire day. So it's very essential for me to have perfumes in my bag because, as I said, I have a fear of smelling bad. So there is that. And then the last bag that I use, I've only started using it recently, but it is also from Dear Army PH, and it's called a go-go bag, and I can see why, because it's really tiny and it can fit like whatever certain essentials that you really need, like your wallet, your phone, your alcohol. Everything does fit in here. So there is a pocket also in here aside from the main pocket, so you can put a lot of things, but not a lot. Like I said, I tried to fit in my wallet in here, but I had to remove the keychains because it would come out bulky. And then I super love this because of the pockets. So there are two pockets in front, and you can actually design and stick your enamel pins, I don't know if I said that right, enamel pins, inside the bag. So I've got the Euphoria pin and the OT7 pin over there, and then I like to put a photo card in the front with a top loader so that it looks super cute. Oh, and I have this Jungkook my keychain, which is from Okay Ganda Gift Shop. Thank you Ate K for gifting this to me. And yeah, so this is basically what I use when I just go over to like my grandma's house or something. Just need a few stuff like my wallet, my phone, and my alcohol. That's basically it. Obviously I can't fit perfume in here, which is why I used the bigger purple bag. So yeah, that's basically it. Those are all the things in my bags. I don't really carry too much. I actually forgot to show you guys my power bank, but it's charging right now. So I do have that also in my bag. And yeah, so that's basically it. If you guys want to be matchies and get the same bags as me, please do go check them out. All the shops are linked down below in the description box. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you like these videos in the comment section below, and I can do more of them for you. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. It's been really hard to think about what content I want to put out, but that's basically it. So please do let me know what else you guys want to see from me in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys with another new video next Friday. Bye! Stay safe!